Water is the most important thing that you can do for your body. If you do not get enough water, your body cannot function. It is a part of every single function in your body. So I want you to think about, if you have a symptom, go drink some water. If you have a headache, go drink some water. If you have constipation, go drink some water. If you have joint pain, go drink some water. If you have a headache, go drink some water. If you have digestive issues, go drink some water. If you have muscle pain or joint pain, go drink some water. If you have brain fog, go drink some water. If you have concentration challenges, go drink some water. If you are feeling tired, go drink some water. If you are feeling grumpy or moody or just, go drink some water. If you're carrying extra weight and you're dehydrated, go drink some water. Here's the thing, water is essential for absolutely every function in your body. Without it, our cells shrivel up like little raisins. We can't get nutrients into the cells. We can't get toxins out of the cells. We can't eliminate stuff from our body. Our blood pressure can increase or decrease depending on the person. Water literally is essential for everything in our bodies. And so if you're not drinking enough, how are you feeling? How are you doing? It's so important that you get enough water in on a daily basis. Now you may be asking, well, how much water am I supposed to be drinking? Great question. You know, the old thought was 8-ounce glasses a day. New research is showing that we need half of our body weight in ounces of water minimum per day. So if you're somebody that weighs 150 pounds, you need a minimum of 75 ounces of water every single day, minimum. If you weigh 200 pounds, it's 100 ounces. If you weigh 300 pounds, that equals 150 ounces of water. So the more that we reduce our weight, the more our water intake needs to reduce as well. So the other thing to really think about is that we need to compensate for any caffeinated or alcoholic or carbonated beverages, because those are high acidity and they're diuretics. So we need to compensate for that with 2 glasses of water for every one of those beverages. So if you are somebody that is chronically dehydrated and have been forever, look at the symptoms that I just listed and how many of those are true for you. Then look at how do you increase your water to half your body weight. And then from there, how much do you need to compensate for alcoholic or caffeinated beverages that you're taking in as well? It's so critically important that we really pay attention to our hydration levels. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to strategically get more water in so it doesn't feel overwhelming and it doesn't feel like I'm never going to be able to do this. Because I will tell you that water is the single most important thing that you can do to be able to really add life to your body, because water is energy. You know, people go, well, if I'm dehydrated, how does that impact my weight? Well, our bodies are trying to constantly regulate our temperature, our body temperature, to keep us in homeostasis and that balance. And if you're dehydrated, your body will pack on extra weight to insulate you, so it can manage your body temperature better, right? If you're dehydrated, your blood thickens and it makes your heart pump faster and harder. Or it can lower your blood pressure because it's thinned out or because it's less volume, and so it doesn't pump as hard. So everything in our body wants to keep this homeostasis, and water is the most important thing that you can do to help your body to thrive, to maximize your energy levels, to eliminate mental clarity, or to create mental clarity, eliminate mental fog, and really get you to a place where you are thriving. I can tell you story after story after story about, you know, people that have just started drinking more water and transformed their entire health just from that one step. I've had people that were taking 4 ibuprofen before a golf game, start drinking half their body weight in water, gone. People that have been chronically constipated for 20 years, taking 6 to 8 X-Lax to have a bowel movement, start drinking half their body weight in ounces of water, regular every single day. People with headaches, gone. So many things that our body needs water for. So drink your water, make that a priority each and every day. This is not something that you just do for your body, but it's something that you do for your brain and your overall mental well-being as well. The two ways that I can tell if I'm dehydrated, I'm tired and I'm grumpy. So check the list of symptoms that I gave you earlier about dehydration, see how many you have, and then focus on how do I increase my water to half my body weight in ounces per day.